Hello everyone. So today we are going to prove this theorem of chapter 6 of class 10th maths. The theorem states that if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. So let us draw the diagram of this triangle. We have a right triangle which is right angled at B. So let us draw. This is the right angle triangle which is right angled at B. So the name of this triangle is ABC. This is triangle ABC. And in this triangle, let us construct a perpendicular from point B to the hypotenuse AC. Let us draw a perpendicular. Suppose this perpendicular meets at point D on line AC. Now you have a right angle triangle which is right angled at B, and a perpendicular is drawn from point B to the hypotenuse AC. Now you may note in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, we have angle A equals to angle A. That means angle A of triangle ABD is equal to the angle A of triangle ABC. So angle A is common. This is common angle. And angle ADB is equal to angle ABC. Angle ADB, that means this angle, is equal to angle ABC. You can see both the angles are of 90-degree measure. So these two angles are also equal. Now you have already studied about AA similarity criteria. So we will use that criteria here. Using AA similarity criteria, we can write that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Now similarly, in triangle BDC and again the whole triangle ABC, we have angle C common, and again angle ABC and angle BDC are both of the measure 90-degree. So these two are also equal. Now again, using AA similarity criteria, we can write that triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. So we have, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From these two results, as triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC and triangle BDC is also similar to triangle ABC. So these two triangles must also be similar to each other. So we can write triangle ABD is also similar to triangle BDC. So the statement that if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on the both sides of the perpendicular are similar to each other and to the whole triangle. So this is the proof. I hope you all understood this one.